What's the meaning of bloodshot? Bloodshot. Bloodshot.
Bloodshot. Bloodshot. The term bloodshot refers to the reddening of the whites of the eyes, which occurs due to the dilation of blood vessels in the eye. This condition can be caused by a variety of factors such as lack of sleep, excessive alcohol consumption, allergies, dry air, and eye strain. Bloodshot eyes can also be a symptom of an underlying medical condition, such as conjunctivitis or uveitis. In addition to redness, individuals with bloodshot eyes may experience itching, burning, or blurred vision. Proper rest, hydration, and eye care can help alleviate bloodshot eyes, but it is important to seek medical attention if symptoms persist or worsen.